You can format the text after it has been entered so that it is more presentable. Formatting text involves assigning various attributes to the text, such as color, font, italic, size, bold, etc. Formatting determines the overall appearance of the text. Formatting can be done by selecting options from the Format drop-down menu, or also using the various options provided on the formatting toolbar. The text attributes can be changed before, during, or after the text has been typed. Adding bullets to it can enhance the text further. The line and paragraph spacing can also be changed while formatting the text. The text itself can be rearranged by changing the text alignment. The text font can also be changed after it has been entered. Select the Format option in the menu bar to display the Format drop-down menu. From the Format drop-down menu, select Replace Fonts option to display the Replace dialog box. In the Replace dialog box, enter the name of the font that is currently used, and enter the new font in the With text box. Now, click on the Replace button. The new font will be applied to the selected text. TrueType fonts too can be embedded in the text. If a presentation is created using fonts that may not be available on the PC on which the presentation will be run, then the Embed TrueType fonts option should be used. To embed TrueType fonts, select the File option from the standard menu bar to display the drop-down menu. Select Save As option. This will display the Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box, select the Tools option to display the drop-down menu. Now, select the Embed TrueType Fonts option. The font style, size, and color of the text can also be changed. Also, a shadowed effect can be added to the selected text. To change the font, first select the text. Now, use the down arrow next to the font field on the formatting toolbar to select one of the fonts from the list. To change the font style, select the text whose font style is to be changed. Now, select Font from the Format menu. This will display the Font dialog box. In the Font Style box, select one of the options, Regular, Bold, Italic, or Bold Italic. Now, click on the OK button in the dialog box to apply the change to the selected text. The icons on the formatting toolbar can also be used to change the font style. You can change the font size of existing text and also specify a different font size for any new text that you will be entering. Select the text whose font size is to be changed, or place the cursor at the point where you want to enter text with the new font size. Now, enter the exact font size in the font size field on the formatting toolbar. The down arrow at the right of the font size field can be used to display a range of sizes from which you can select the desired size. The increase font size and decrease font size icons on the toolbar can also be used to change the font size. The color of the text can also be changed. First, select the text whose color has to be changed. Now, click on the down arrow next to the font color icon on the drawing toolbar to display a menu of different colors. Select the required color from this menu. If you need more colors, click on the More Font Colors option in the menu. The Colors dialog box will appear with more colors, and you can select the color of your choice. To apply shadow effect, select the text to which the shadowed effect is to be added. Then click on the shadow icon on the formatting toolbar. Apart from the formatting effects which you just saw, you also have additional formatting effects that can be added to the text. Click on the Format option in the menu bar to display the Format drop-down menu. Now, select the Font option from the drop-down menu. The Font dialog box will be displayed. In the Font dialog box, the Effects section will display the following options: Underline, Shadow, Emboss, Superscript, Subscript. You have to click in the checkbox next to the option that you want to select. Then click on the OK button to close the dialog box and apply the changes. Bullets can be added to the text to further enhance the text. First, select the text to be bulleted. Click on the bullet icon on the formatting toolbar to apply the bulleting. To remove bulleting, select the bulleted text and click on the bullet icon on the formatting toolbar. The bulleting feature will be removed from the text. Bullets can be used at the beginning of a line to make it stand out. Bullets are effective to make an item stand out in any list. To add custom formatted bullets, select the text first, then click on the Format option to display the drop-down menu. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the Bullets and Numbering option. The Bullets and Numbering dialog box will be displayed. Click on the Character button to display the Bullet dialog box. Then, click on the down arrow next to the Bullets from box to display a drop-down menu of fonts and select any one. Then, select the character to be used for the bullets by clicking on the shape to highlight it. If the bullets are to be displayed in a different color, then click on the drop-down arrow of the color box to display a drop-down menu of colors. Choose any color from the list to be used for the bullets. Click on the up or down arrow in the size box to change the font size percentage. Finally, click on the OK button. The bullets will be applied to your text. Picture bullets too can be added to the text. Click on the Pictures button in the Bullets and Numbering dialog box. This opens the Picture Bullet dialog box. Select the required picture bullet and a pop-up menu will be displayed. Select the first item from the menu, that is, Insert Clip. The picture bullet will be inserted in your slide. You can also change the case of the text. Select the text whose case has to be changed. Select the Format option on the standard menu bar to display a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the Change Case option to display the Change Case dialog box. Here you can select any of the following options which are displayed in the dialog box: Sentence Case, Lowercase, Uppercase, Title Case, Toggle Case. Select any option and click on the OK button to add the effect to the selected text. The formatting applied to one presentation can be copied to another presentation using the Format Painter tool. Select the text whose style is to be copied. Now, click on the Format Painter icon on the standard toolbar. The cursor will now have a paintbrush attached. Select the text to which the style is to be applied. The copied formatting will be applied automatically when you select the text. The Undo button can be used to undo the last operation. Say you delete a part of the text and then later realize that you should not have deleted it. You can reverse the action of deleting the text using the Undo button. This will cause the text to be restored. Now, if after restoring the text you decide again that you want to delete it, then you can use the Redo button. The text will again be deleted. The Undo option can also be selected from the Edit menu, or you can also press the Ctrl+Z key combination on the keyboard or click on the Undo icon on the standard toolbar. The paragraphs in the text can be aligned as required, and you can also change the alignment whenever required. There are various options available for setting the alignment of paragraphs. The different alignment options available are as follows: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify alignment. To change the alignment of the paragraph, first select the paragraph to be aligned. Select the Format option to display the Format drop-down menu. Now, select Alignment from the drop-down menu to display a sub-menu containing various alignment options. Select the required option from the menu displayed. The left, right and center alignment options are also displayed on the formatting toolbar. any of which can be selected to align the text to the right, center, or left of the screen. The space between the line and paragraph can also be changed. To change the spacing of the paragraph, select the paragraph first. Then, click on the Increase Paragraph Spacing icon on the Formatting toolbar to increase the paragraph spacing. You can select Decrease Paragraph Spacing to decrease the paragraph spacing. The line spacing too can be changed if required. Line spacing is the amount of space between lines of text or between paragraphs. By adjusting the line spacing, the text can be adjusted to fit the slide. The line spacing can also be adjusted to make the text easier to read. The spacing between lines and points too can be adjusted. To adjust the line spacing, select the text or paragraphs whose spacing is to be adjusted. From the Format menu, select the Line Spacing option to display the line spacing dialog box. Use the up and down arrows provided in the line spacing box to adjust the spacing as required. Select how the spacing is to be adjusted by choosing lines or points from the drop-down list on the right-hand side of the adjustment box. The up and down arrows in the before paragraph and after paragraph boxes can also be used to adjust the paragraph spacing. Select how the spacing is to be adjusted by choosing lines or points from the drop-down list on the right-hand side of the adjustment box. Select the Preview option to see the effect of the spacing on the paragraph. Click on the OK button to accept the new spacing attributes. A new line can also be started in a paragraph without creating a new paragraph. To add a new line, press the Shift plus Enter key combination and start typing the new line. The basic use of tabs is to align and space text horizontally. The tab stops are available on the ruler, which is present on the slide screen itself, and can be adjusted to modify the alignment and spacing of the text. The following types of tab stops are available. Left tab. The left edge of the text is aligned with the tab stop. Right tab. The right edge of the text is aligned with the tab stop. Center tab. The text is centered over the tab stop. Decimal tab. The decimal points of numbers are aligned at the tab stop. To set tabs, click on the View option to display the drop-down menu. From the View menu, select the Ruler command. To enter the tab stops on the ruler, click inside the text object. Click on the Tab Alignment button on the top left hand of the ruler to change the alignment options. Keep clicking on the Tab Alignment button until the required alignment is obtained. Now, click on the ruler at the place where the tab stop is to be placed. While text is being entered, you can shift from one tab stop to another by pressing the Tab key on the keyboard. In order to remove a tab stop, simply drag the tab indicator off the ruler and the tab stop will disappear. While entering the text, it is possible that you may misspell some words. PowerPoint allows you to check the spellings of the entire text in the presentation, including that on slides, notes pages, outlines, and handouts. PowerPoint has a main dictionary using which the presentation is checked for incorrect spellings. Apart from this dictionary, custom dictionaries too can be used to check the spellings. In order to check the spelling of a particular object, select the object first. Then, from the Tools drop-down menu, select the Spelling option. Or, you can also click on the spelling icon on the standard toolbar. PowerPoint starts checking the spellings in the text, and if it comes across any word that it is not able to recognize, it displays the spelling dialog. In the spelling dialog box, the incorrect word will appear in the Not in Dictionary box. In the Change To box, a replacement is suggested and other possible replacements are listed in the Suggestions box. The following options are available in this dialog box. Ignore ignores the word and continues checking. Ignore all ignores all future occurrences of this word in the presentation. Change changes the word to that in the Change To box. You can also select an alternative word from the suggestion box instead. Change all changes all occurrences of the word in the presentation to the word you have selected. Add as the word to the custom dictionary. Suggest suggests other replacement words. When PowerPoint finishes checking all the spellings, then it displays a message informing you that it has completed checking. To exit the spelling checker, click on the OK button.